Hi there. Are you in trouble with your hard disk space? If yes, then this video is for you. Because today in this video, we're going to learn how to free up much more space as we can in your hard disk. So guys,
To learn, let's go to the desktop. Here, first of all guys, delete the temporary files from the setting. For that, go to the search box and simply type temp and choose the delete temporary files. And after opening the next window, choose temporary files. Click on it, and here you can see the scanning process is going on. After scanning is completed, check the items whose data you want to delete. Here I am gonna check every item because there is no any important data for me in any of these items. If you have the important data in any of these items, then I doesn't recommend you to check, and then click on remove button. And now it takes some time to delete the data, so wait until all the data don't get deleted. And now here you can see all the data gets deleted and become the size of 0 byte. Now at second method, we have to delete the temporary files from the C drive. For that, go to the search box and simply type %temp% and then open the %temp% folder and select all the files by simply pressing the Ctrl A button and then delete it. And now you can see the files getting deleted. If the system can't delete any files, then we have to simply skip it or cancel it. And at the third method, we have to clean up the preface directory. For that, simply press Windows and R key at the same time to run the run dialog box and simply type prefetch and then press enter and then continue, and then select all the files from the previous folder and then delete it. And now you can see the files are deleting, and here also the system can't delete so I have skipped it. You can also skip it while having this issue. And at fourth method, we have to clean up the software distribution directory. For that, go to this PC and then C drive and then window and then try to find out the software distribution directory. And here you can see I have found and opened. Select all the files and folders and delete it. Here you may also receive the deletion problem. Simply skip it. And now you can see all the files are deleted. And now at the fifth position, to get much more space, we have to clean up the system restore and shadow copy. For that, go to this PC and then the property of C drive and then this cleanup, and now and then cleanup system file. And now you can see the cleanup files are calculating, and now the more option tab, and now here you can see system restore and shadow copies. Click on cleanup button and then delete, and then click on OK button and then delete files. And now here you can see the system restore and shadow copies are deleting from the C drive, and it deleted successfully. And now at the sixth method, we have to free up the space using the storage sense. For that, go to the search box and type storage setting and then choose storage setting and then click on configure storage sense or run it now. After that, in the next window, choose the timing when the deletion is performed. I have choose every week, so the storage sense will run once in a week. Below, choose after how many days the files get deleted for each item. And then click on clean now button, and now you can see the cleanup is going on and the files get cleaned. And now at the seventh method, we have to delete the browsing history. For that, go to the search box and simply type delete browsing history, and then click on delete browsing history and check delete browsing history on exit, and then delete button, again delete button in new dialog box, and after the deletion completed, click on apply and then OK button. And now at the 8th method, we have to clean the activity history. For that, go to the search box and simply type activity history and then click on clear activity history, and from here scroll down, and now here you can see the clear button below the clear history button. Click on it and then OK. And now here you can see the clear mark is shown. It means the files deleted. And guys, if you are new to our channel and still not subscribed to our channel, then subscribe and turn on the bell icon to don't miss its second that will come soon. And if you like this video, then thumbs up and share it to your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next part.